Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block number in your Oppo A16. There is a two-way which you can block the number. Firstly, you can block from your phone list to choose the call which you want to block. Yep. And if you press and play and on the contact, you have an option to block. Okay. The second way to block the number is go to the contact, search from the sum of your contacts, click on it, and there you can block the number. Same here, block. You can manage about your block number here, fit and manage, blocked number, and there you have a number which you have to block. You already to block it. You can delete this number from the blacklist to get a voice call from them or text message, whatever. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!